Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this partner van. So in the back, the floor is ply lined, there's a sliding side door, reverse parking sensors. Up front, you've got 3 seats. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 4,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.